Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create your own multi-level marketing website using MLM Lab PHP script. So let me give you the overview of this website. So this is the website that we are going to create using MLM Lab PHP script. You can see how amazing this website is. You can see the slider on its landing page. So this is the landing page of website. You can directly click on login to log into your existing account, or you can register to the website by clicking register. So here are some other options. Here is the about us section of this website. You can add your about details on this section. Here are services section. You can provide your list your services that you are providing. So here's it, how it works. Sign up, bring peoples, get paid. So here are the testimonial team member section. You can add your team members pictures and details about them. Here's the plan section. You can list your plans right here, and user can directly click on subscribe now and log in to its account and directly invest in this. So this is our section of our latest transactions. You can see your latest deposits, you can see your latest withdrawals. So you can see directly from this landing page. So this is our happiest client section. Here are don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. This is the news section. You can also add blogs to this website, and here are frequently asked questions about this, and this is a footer section of this website. So you can also see some other pages about marketing tools plan. You can explore them by clicking it. So I will go to blog section and it will redirect me to the blog page of the website. So you can see different blogs by clicking blog page. So here on account section, you can directly click on register to this website, or you can log in to the website. So here is the register section. You can add your details to register on this website. So let's explore the admin panel of this website, that what features this script is providing us in admin panel. So I will open the admin panel of this website. So this is amazing admin panel of this website. You can see all your details directly here. Here is the total user option. Here is the active user option. Here are email unverified. Basically you can verify your emails manually by just editing them. So you can manually verify them. So here is a plan section, active user. You can manage different types of users on this website. Here are the payment gateways. You can see different payment gateways. So here are automatic payment gateways. So these are all the payment gateways that are embedded in the site. So you can also explore some other options. These are deposit options of this website. You can see all your deposit details of website. Here are withdrawal options. You can see all the withdrawal methods, pending withdrawals, approved withdrawals, rejected withdrawals, and all withdrawals. So here are sport ticket option, report option, subscribers option. You can change the general settings of website from here. So here you can change the title of website, you can change currency and currency symbol and many other settings. So here system configuration. You can manage all the configurations of your system by this option. You can see all those settings such as email notification, email verifications. So you can enable them to send email verifications. So you have to just click it and your email verifications were set out. So just you can also explore some matching bonus settings, logo and favicon. Basically logo and favicon is used for changing logo of website. You can add your own logo by removing this MLM Lab logo, and you can add your own logo on the website. So here are the option of extensions and extension languages. You can manage SEO, KYC settings, notification settings, and you can see all your email settings and SMS settings from here. You can manage all these. So here is the manage template section. So you are provided with only one template. You can use this. So from here you can manage different pages of website. Here is home page, blog page, contact, other pages. You can just simply edit them, remove them, delete them, or add new page to website if you like. So here is manage section. You can manage all your sections of websites such as about, banner, and all this section. If you want to add blog posts, you can directly use this section to add them, or testimonial section, any other section. So here's the maintenance mode, GDPR cookie, and here is system. Here are all the setting of server, applications, and many other. So this is the general view of this website. So let me tell you that to make this complete website, you must need a MLM Lab PHP script. So you can see this is a Code Canyon PHP script. Its sales are $196, and you can see its price is $99, and it is for only 1 year, and after 1 year you have to extend it with $35. Now if you don't want to spend this much money and you don't want to extend it after 1 year, every 1 year, then I have a complete crack version of this website that you can use for lifetime, and completely virus free, no problem with this script. So I will provide you at low price and for lifetime. So choice is yours. Either you can buy it from this Code Canyon website, or you can buy it from me. So let's start building this website. So I'm hosting this script on localhost, and you can also host it on your server. The installation process of script will remain the same. So I will just open my scripts. So here I have to find my MLM Lab PHP script. So this is my script. I will just copy the script and go to your folder where your ZAP is installed. So my ZAP is installed in C drive, and I will just open it and go to htdocs folder and paste my script right here. So I will just right click on it and extract the file. So it will take some time to extract. So you can see that our script has been extracted successfully. Now what you have to do is you have to right click on it and copy the name of script. So I will just copy the name of script and go to your Chrome browser. So type localhost and put this name between these two forward slashes, and just click on it. So go to files. So you can see that our installer window of Visor Lab will appear successfully. Now click on I agree, next step. Satisfy all these requirements of this script, and click next. And here what you have to do is you have to enter the database details. Now let's create the database. So localhost php my admin, and I will create the database with the name MLM Lab. So create the database, go to privileges, and add user account. So here you have to enter your username. I will just I give the username with MLM Lab, and here click select localhost. Here you have to give the password, and I will give the password MLM Lab, and retype it MLM Lab, and scroll down below, just click on check all option, and click on go button. Now your database has been created, your user has been added successfully. Now go back to your Easy Visor by Visor Lab and enter all the details. So I will enter the database name, which is MLM Lab, host is localhost, database user is also MLM Lab, and database password is MLM Lab. So here you have to enter your admin credentials. So my admin email is admin@admin.com, and click on install now. So now you can see that our website has been established successfully. So this is the website that I showed you before. So this is the same website. So you can see all the details that I demonstrated you before. And let's go to admin panel. Click on go to admin. And so this is our admin panel. Let's enter our admin credentials, admin, and which is password is also admin. Click on login. So you can see this is our admin panel of our newly created website. Total user 1, which is me, and active user 1, and email unverified 0, and all the things you can see. So if you like the video, viewers, just do subscribe to my channel, and if you need the PHP script, you can directly contact me on the number given on the screen. You can WhatsApp me and I will provide you the script. Thanks for watching.